ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ሁሉ ሰላም ደህና ናችሁ ሆይ? እንዴት ናችሁ? እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን እኔ በጣም ደህና ነኝ። እንግዲህ በተደጋጋሚ በተሰጠኝ ኮሜንት እና አስተያየቶች መሰረት ማለት ነው ሲኦሲ ቤዝድ ጥያቄዎችን ቲቶር ብሰራልን የሚል ጥያቄ በተለያዩ አቅጣጫዎች እየመጡ ስለነበር እኔም እንግዲህ ዛሬ የሲኦሲ ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ ቀርቤያለሁ። ስለዚህ በእርግጠኝነት ጥያቄውን ከሰራችሁት ሲኦሲውን ዳይሬክትሊ መስራት ትችላላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። ምክንያቱም ይሄ በአንድም በሌላ መልኩም በተለያየ ጊዜያት የመጣ የሲኦሲ ጥያቄ ነው ይዤላችሁ የቀረብኩት። ስለዚህ ጥያቄውን በደንብ እዩት ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን ሌሎች ሲኦሲ ቱቶሪያሉ እንዲደርሳችሁ ጥያቄዎች እንዲደርሳችሁ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ እና ሼር ማድረግን አትርሱ። ወደ ጥያቄው አመራለሁ። ጥያቄውን ለእናንተ ግልጽ በሆነ መልኩ ይዤላችሁ ቀርቤያለሁ። ወደ ጥያቄው አመራለሁ። ኦኬ እንግዲህ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለው እንደምታዩት ነው። A small business owners develop and use operating procedures, so tasks are performed in a blank way. A. Innovative. B. Impressive, precise. C. Standard. D. Diverse. ስለዚህ the answer is innovative. The answer is innovative ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Number 2. Your company has one main office and 4 branch office. The main office contains standard primary DNS zone and name adutem.com. Each branch office contains a copy of the adutem.com zone. Where records are added to the adutem.com zone, you discover when records are added to the adutem.com zone, you discover that it takes up to 1 hour before that changes replicate to each zone in the branch office. You need to minimize the amount of time it takes for the records to be in the branch office. What should you do? A. The DNS server in the branch office configure the zone again or scavenging properties. B. On the DNS server in the main office configure the zone again or scavenging the properties. C. On the DNS server in the branch office configure the notify setting. D. On the DNS server in the main office configure the notify setting. The answer is on the DNS server in the branch office and or configure the notify setting. The answer is B. Okay, number 3. Which of the following protocol is to port 443 and 80 respectively? A. DHTML. C. XHTML. C. HTTP and HTTPS. D. HTTPS and HTTP. The answer is HTTP and HTTP. HTTPS and HTTP. The answer is D. Number 4. Network layer firewall has 2 subcategories as A. Frame firewall and packet firewall. B. None of the mentioned. C. Stateful and stateless firewall. D. Bit-oriented firewall and byte-oriented firewall. The answer is stateful and stateless firewall. The answer is C. Number 5. The most frequently used framework for obtaining continuous improvement. A. The plan, do, check, act cycle. B. The quality cycle. C. The cause and effect process. C. Quality function development. The answer is A. The plan, do, check, act cycle. Number 6. You have a domain controller that runs Windows Server 2008 R2 and it's configured as a DNS server. You need to record all the bound DNS queries to configure in the DNS Manager console. A. Enable automatic testing for recursive queries. B. Enable automatic testing simple queries. C. Enable debugging logging. D. Configure event logging to log error and warnings. The answer is C. Enable debugging logging. Number 7. Which of the following is statement? Which of the following element is required to do after successful installation on the NSA? A. Windows 1000 client configuration. B. Static IP address configuration. D. Dynamic IP address configuration. D. Active Directory configuration. Outside static IP address configuration. Number 8. Any corporation needs data network that must meet a certain requirement. The network must provide a low-cost connection to sales people dispersed over large geographical area. Which type of one infrastructure would meet the requirement? A. Private infrastructure. B. Dedicated. C. Public infrastructure. D. Stateful. The answer is public infrastructure. Number 9. What do business employees often need to do before they are able to write proposals? A. Contract the customer. B. Evaluate the technicals. C. Analyze personal skills. D. Research the problem. The answer is D. First must have to be research the problem. Research the problem. Okay, number 10. The file transfer protocol built on A. Server oriented. Built on A. Server oriented architecture. B. Client server architecture. D. Data centric architecture. D. File centered architecture. The answer is client server architecture. Number 11. HTTP client request by establishing a dash connection, in particular report on the server. A. File transfer protocol. B. User datagram protocol or UDP የሚባለው ማለት ነው። C. Transfer control protocol or TCP. D. Border gateway protocol. The answer is user datagram protocol. Number 12. In which layer of the hierarchical enterprise LAN design model would POA, Power over Ethernet, for VOP, Voice over IP? A. Physical. C. Core. D. Distribution. C. Access. The answer is access. Number 30. Access point exists in transport layer, application layer, network layer, data link layer. Access points exist in network layer line. Answer is C. Which multiple access technique is due to IEEE standard 802.11 standard for wireless LAN? A. Carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance. B. Carrier detection multiple avoidance. D. EVDO. D. ALOHB. The answer is carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance. Okay, number 50. Which device performs the function of determining the path that message should take through internet network? A. Firewall. B. Router. C. DSL modem. D. Web browser. The answer is router. Number 16. Which protocol is used by the traceroutes command to send and receive echo requests and echo replies? A. Simple name message protocol, telnet, TCP, ISMP. Internet control message protocol ይባላል ማለት ነው። The answer is what? D. The answer is D. The answer is D. Number 17. Enabling additional users to handle administrative tasks for a particular objective is referred to as assignment, targeting, delegation, redirection. The answer is delegation. The answer is delegation. Number 18. A leadership style in which the leader includes one or more employees in the decision-making process is A. Authoritarian or autocratic. B. Federalistic. C. Participatory or democratic. D. Delegate or free region. The answer is A. Number 19. Local GPO settings are stored in what folder on the computer? B. Person system root, person system / group policy. B. Person modulo or person, you can say person system root, person system 32 / drivers / etc group policy. C. Person system root, person system 32 / drivers / group policy. D. Person system root, person system 32 group policy. Answer is D. Answer is D. 20. David is fetching mails. David is fetching mails from a server lying at a remote location. Which protocol is he using fetch the mails? A. S/MIME. B. Simple Transfer Protocol. C. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. D. POP3. The answer is D. POP3. Remote location used POP3. Answer is D. Answer is D. 21. Refer to the exhibit below as an administrator ping the default gateway in the IP address 10.10.10.1 in the output as shown. At which OSI layer in the problem? C. Double quotes. 2 ping 10.1010 pinging 10.10 bytes request timeout. ይህን ምልክት ያሳየናል ማለት ነው። ይህን ፒንግ የምናደርግበት የትኛው ላየር ነው? ኤ ሴሽን ላየር፣ ቢ አፕሊኬሽን ላየር፣ ሲ ዳታ ሊንክ ላየር፣ ዲ ኔትወርክ አንሰሪስ ኔትወርክ ላየር። ኦኬ ጋይስ እንግዲህ የመጀመሪያውን ጥያቄዎች ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ሃርድዌር ኤንድ ኔትወርክ ሰርቪስ ሌቭል 3 እና 4 ቤዚክ የሆኑ ጥያቄዎችን አሳየኋችሁ። ቀጣይ እንግዲህ ቲዩቶሪያል እንድሰራ ኮሜንት እና ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር አድርጎ አመሰግናለሁ። ቻው